Yeah, you're doing your hand now.
Oh, am I facing the
There
wrong
you go.
way? There we go. I'm retarded.
Nice little
Johan's
silky
chicken of the woods. Macaque!
The outer edge tastes a hell of a lot different than the inner.
Which is better? The outer edge is what I got a hold of, and that was kind of...
It had a little weird texture to it.
Yeah, that's what got me, the
Salty as
texture,
shit, though.
not the taste.
Definitely work, I guess. Get your pull.
Get these shrooms.
It's pretty